Hey guys, if you're getting Valorant error code VAN-79 and the game refuses to launch, this usually happens because Riot Vanguard isn't running correctly or your system has conflicting files. First, completely close Valorant and the Riot client before making any changes. Press Windows plus R, type services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find VGC, the Riot Vanguard service. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and click Start if it's stopped. Apply the changes and close the services window, then restart your PC. After restart, try launching Valorant. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Press Windows plus I, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Riot Vanguard, and uninstall it, then restart your PC immediately. After reboot, open Valorant and let Riot Vanguard reinstall automatically. Once Vanguard is installed, restart your PC again before opening the game. If VAN-79 still occurs, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus and Windows Defender real-time protection. Then right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator to launch the game. This usually resolves the error completely and lets you play without issues. If this video helped you fix the error, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming and Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next video.